Today's class we are going to be focusing on lighting, and I'm going to take you through how to create your custom pages for your lighting control. First and first, you go down to your custom pages, add. Okay, I'm going to call this custom page main living room. I'm going to click on install, and here I have under a large interface. So once you click on install, you're going to see your large interface, small interface, HHR, that's your handheld remotes. Then you have HR10. Now HR10 interfaces are usually different, so you have to really be very specific and very conscious of how you create an interface for that remote. Now to design your remote, first thing is that you go to add components, or you just right click on it and click add components. Now since we are doing a light custom page, I want to just add, let's add a rectangular region. You have rectangular region, you have round region. So this time I'm going to use a round region. Add. So we're going to add the radius in control. Okay, we're going to pick a color for this. We're going to use blue for this color. Wait, I'm going to click on apply. So by using blue, the radius, I'm going to reduce it to 12. No, I want it shining, so click apply. Okay, so now if you want to have two of this region, you could just click on it and click, that is, you have to right click on it and then click on copy control group. Then you go to the place where you want it and you click on paste. Now usually it comes back to the same page and you would think, oh, where has it gone to? Don't worry, it's just right here. All you just have to do is move it down here, either with your arrow key, or you could just move it like this. You can see the lines, so this helps you see your design and know exactly how to arrange it. It helps with your arrangement. Now I have that there. You can see now 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, I see that this one is too close to the margin and I'm moving it out a bit. Okay, that should do it. Next, we have to add a new control for the lights. Now you have different options. You could pick light area control, light dimmer control, light Kelvin control, light multi control, present control, RGB control, rocker, whatever you want. Sim buttons, switch control, toggle, global control, location control. So it's your choice. We're going to be using the light toggle control. You should just click on it and you click add. So this is your light toggle control here. I'm gonna name it spotlights. So you name it whatever lights you have in your home or in the client's house, wherever light it is, whatever type of light it is, you just leave. We're going to be using just spotlight for this um, example. You have your text color, text size. So depending on your client, you use whatever text size you want, but it's advisable you use a very very bold text size so they see it clearly and you have a peace of mind. So it's advisable you use a very bold stuff, bold text. I'm going to be using 15. Now you can see that 15 hasn't even done any changes, so let's try 20. Okay, we're coming up. We're going to try 26. Okay, that's good. Control this for your text color. You could pick any color here, possibly here. Let's just try that. This for your color. You can see that. Now if you want to change your text color, you come here for your text color. And if you want to change the button color, this is what you use. This is where you do that. And here's for the radius, this is for the raise, this is for the sync. Now we're going to be making adjustments to each one of these options, each one of these here, and you're going to see the difference it makes here. So just notice, watch. Now we're changing the radius. You can see it's no longer a sharp rectangular button. Now the sides are really curved. The sides are curved. It's your choice. Anyhow you want it, you have to do. Okay, we're going to leave it at 60. Let's use 60. Now on the raise, you also notice. Okay, so we said on 30, the highest is on 30, which is quite good. This raise shows when the light is on and when it's off. So this is what you use to actually signify that oh, the light is on, or oh no, the light is off. And this is your sync. You see what the sync does? Now I prefer it like this actually. I'm going to click on apply. Notice here that there are 3 different layouts: large, middle, and the last layer. Now also 16 by 9, 4 by 3, 9 by 19. Now 9 by 16, I'm going to see. Now when you click on this, you notice it's still here. Watch. So what you do is you just copy the layout, come here, you paste it. You come here, then you paste it, you click on apply. This option allows you to be able to design the layout differently, the way you want it to be. Now note, after creating the buttons, you have to connect it. You come here to connect, so you connect it to the button here, but we'll do that later on. We're still designing the outline, so let's go. Now I'm going to copy this control group and I'm going to paste it. I'm going to paste it. Okay, we have to look for a place where this. Okay, so now let's say that particular room has just 2. Okay, now I'm going to highlight here and highlight here. to copy the both control group. And I'm going to come here where there's no control group there and just click on paste. And I move it over. You can see it coming out and entering this one. I move it here. So what I'm saying here right now is spotlight. Let's call this one a tape light. Maybe give this one starlight. Give this chandelier. Okay. Okay, there we go. When you click apply, don't forget to click apply. So I'm going to copy this layout, copy, and move to the next layout and we'll paste. Do the same thing for the next. And that's that on this large interface. Now we're going to the small interface. Just by click on it and click copy layout. For the HR interface, you have to create the interface again from scratch. So you just do the same process. Do the same process over here. Now, sometimes you may not have the time to actually do the process. Let's do this process again. That's where the other configurator, that's where the old configurator comes up. Just click on this configurator and we are here on the custom page. And you come here and you click copy layout from from this. You click apply. Now this I have this here. Go back to your interface and you come here and see. You can actually see it, how your HR interface would look like here. First and first, you don't want it looking like this. Now we're going to have to reduce the wages. I will be picking 12. So what I will do here, just do that also here. We're picking 12 for the wages. 12. This method makes it very easy for you to create the interface for the HHR. When you come to the text size and you reduce it, I'm going to try 15. Okay, 15 is great. Just change everything here to 15. Changing everything to 15. 15. And click apply. But you're not yet done. So you highlight everything. Okay. Okay, made a mistake, so just correct it. We're going to highlight it again. This time around, we'll reduce it. Okay. forget to click apply when making any changes. Click apply. Now HR10. So right now I'm going to do your HR10 design. Copy control group, paste control group here. And then you click on apply. Now the HR10 is just a single zone HR remote. So you don't necessarily need to create an interface for the HR10 remote. For each rooms, just pick the particular room and particular room is going to be used in, and then you create an interface for it. Okay, that will be the end of today's class. See you in the next.